Hello everybody, happy morning once again in front of you to teach you English grammar. Hope you must be sound and safe and doing well with your studies. So before switching on to our topic, let's sing a rhyme. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now, you must be wondering what ma'am is doing. Yes, today is our topic alphabet fun. When we recall all the letters in order, it's called an alphabetical order. I repeat for you, when we recall all the letters in order from the alphabetical family, then it's called an alphabetical order. So today our topic is alphabetical fun. Today our topic is alphabetical fun. As I told you, when all the letters are going in order, then we call it alphabet order. So today we are going to learn about the alphabet as well as vowels and the consonants. The order in which we recall all the letters of the English alphabet family is the alphabetical order. Now I am going to teach you about the vowels. You know what are the vowels? Yes. The letters A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. The spellings which starts from A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. The other letters other than the vowels are called consonants. The other letters are called consonants. Bat, met, fat, dead, fun. Now I will be explaining you what are the vowels and what are the consonants. When we use A, E, I, O, U are called vowels, and other than these are called consonant like B, C, D, F, G, H. These are called consonants. Today I will be giving you a small project, a small assignment that you have to take down in your notebook. Let's see that. Arrange the following groups of words in alphabetical orders. So to get well clear with this, I'll teach you how to go with this letter in alphabetical order and also to go in a phonic way. Like set, sa at set, ma at met, pa at pet, da at dead, fa at fat, pa, ba, a, love, you, you, tall, pony, sorry, fan, marry, eat, beat, seat, treat, need, weep, keep, leap, reap and sleep. First of all, you will be doing all these in a phonic way. Then all these letters are to be arranged in an alphabetical order. Sometimes you write first B, P, N, O, Y, Z. That won't be called an alphabetical order. If you are writing in a sequence way, A, बाद में क्या आता है B, उसके बाद में क्या आता है C, that will be called an order. So children, Let me know what you have learned today. Yes, first was alphabetical order, second was vowels, third was consonant. So, by using all these, we can have grammar fun. We can have fun in alphabets, fun in grammar. Understood? Hope you might have learned all these and understood. If you have any problem, you can call me. Till then, happy learning. Stay safe and sound. God bless you.